Hotshot, Jetfire, Vector Prime, Landmine, Scattershot, Optimus Prime.
And I'm Optimus Wilbur. Welcome everyone back to another Optimus Wilbur reviews, and if you want to make Baby Grimlock happy, why not hit that subscribe button, the like button and the notification bell for any new Transformers videos. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. College is killing me just now, but I did promise a couple of restoration videos. There's going to be a few, and let's start off with the easiest one, I think, and it's going to be Rodimus Prime. This is the one I got, and it was missing a few decals, missing weapon, I think. I can't remember. I've had him for over, I think, 12 years, and I thought time, this is it. He needs cleaned up. He needs a fresh look on him, new chrome, everything. So what we're going to do with the restoration, because he's the easiest one, I'm going to fill in some of the chrome parts with a chrome pen. And then we're going to apply the decals. While I'm applying the decals and adding the chrome, of course everything's going to speed up. You don't want to sit and watch all this, but we're going to see everything in a little bit quick speed, but you'll get to listen to the amazing Cybertronic Spree. So let's get things started. I have my chrome pen, I've got my phone for the instructions, and of course I've got the decal sheet. Let's get started. As you can see, he's a little bit worse for wear, but let's spruce him up. Now obviously when that pen dries in, it's going to give a better chrome effect, because obviously those parts chipped on it and everything else. So when that all dries in, that's going to look really good.
Nothing's gonna stand in our way.
Now we'll let the trailer dry. Let's do the pistols at the side. Well, his arms basically, his blasters here, because they look pretty not the greatest. So let's get that one going as well.
Not tonight!
Now that we have the chrome set, and usually the chrome doesn't really proper appear till about 24 hours, you'll see it with another third party bot I did pick up, and you'll see how it made a massive difference to him. But we are joined by Tony, so if you hear Tony in the background, Tony says hello. But let's get the decals now on Rodimus. Let's start off with the basic ones, and let's get them finished. you have it, folks. Toyhax has outdone themselves. This was the easiest restoration, but what a restoration. This figure, when I got them all those years ago, were missing stickers here. I had the two flames, but a lot of this on the actual Rodimus Prime was worn away. Even the flame decal was a bit worn for weather. But the fact that I have them looking this way is incredible. So let's zoom in, do our usual if we can. So just look at that. That is incredible by Toyhax. Like I said, the chrome pen will take roughly about 24 hours before I see the difference. But he was getting everything done to him. Likewise with the hot rod. The hot rod project is going to be probably the hardest, but it will look good when it's done. Just try to adjust the focus. There we are, sorry about that. It's going to look probably the best when it's done with the new paint and everything. And you're probably wondering, because you've seen it in the shop, put on the Rodimus license plate. I think they wanted it to go there, but no, I'm quite happy with it being on the trailer. So let's transform them and get them into trailer and truck mode. So of course you take off that, put the head down, pull out the arms, flip up this part and you pull the body at the same time, close and close the arms in as well. Come to the feet, put them up. Now you've got two ports. So this port here is for the fender, that goes in like so. Just slide in the legs like that, and there you have it, folks. That looks incredible. I'm blown away. I'm absolutely blown away by this. Toyhax have outdone themselves. I didn't think seeing a 30-year-old toy looking as good as this again, with the labels. I didn't think I'd see it again, and now I can't wait to see Hot Rod and the other one, which I had to get parts for, but I genuinely cannot wait for you guys to see that. So yes, a couple of G1s are getting fixed in my collection, and here's the start. And Rodimus Prime looks good as ever. See you next time, Transformer fans. Thank you for everyone who tuned in today's video. If you want to make Baby Grimlock happy, why not hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. All new videos are always coming right here in Optimus Wilbur Reviews. If you'd like to follow me in any of my social media links, all the descriptions are in the description box below. And of course, as always, I cannot stress this enough, I wish to thank Cybertronic Spree for allowing me to use their song Cybertronic Warrior as the theme of this channel. Guys, this is an incredible band, it does incredible covers, and recently just done an amazing album of the Transformers 1986 movie soundtrack. Please follow them and all their social media links. I have every description in the description box below. Please check them out, and as always, Transformer fans, till all are one.